Welcome to this training on panel installation, power and signal connections, and LED tile installation for LPN series displays. Section 1. Panel preparation and installation. Before installing panels, prepare the required hardware on the back of each panel. Hardware varies by location. Top panels require both M6 and M8 bolts. Middle and bottom panels use M8 bolts only. Leave about 1/4 inch between the M8 bolt flange and the rear of the panel. If the panel requires power or signal input connections, remove the rear cutouts now. After panels are installed, it may be difficult or impossible to route these cables later. To begin installation, hang the first panel in the bottom center position. Place the M8 bolt heads into the cabinet keyholes. Continue installing panels across the bottom row. Once the row is in place, secure the side stitch bolts and level the row. Work from the center outward, tightening hardware and ensuring all panel faces are flush. Install flatness bars to maintain proper alignment. Section 2. Completing panel rows and alignment. Continue installing panels row by row. Start at the center of each row, then work outward and upward. For panels in the top row, secure the upper portion using M6 hardware. Once all panels are installed, stitch panels together starting from the center. Tighten the M8 bolts to secure panels to the cabinets. If a panel corner is not flush, use the M5 set screw to adjust the Z position. Push or pull the panel corner until it aligns with adjacent panels. Then, re-tighten the M8 bolt to lock the position in place. Inspect all seams and surfaces carefully. Make fine adjustments as needed to achieve a smooth, flush display face. Section 3. Electrical installation and signal routing. Main power enters the display through one or more power entrance boxes. These are typically located behind the upper left panel position. From the power entrance, route power through the display using interconnect cables. Power may be routed horizontally or vertically, depending on the display layout. Reference the provided riser diagrams for details specific to your display. Next, install the ProLink routers, or PLRs. Each PLR is mounted to a panel, connected to power, and connected to signal cables. Use Cat5e and fiber connections as shown in the signal interconnect drawings. Signal routing between panels may also follow horizontal or vertical paths based on system design. Section 4. LED tile installation. Always wear gloves when handling LED tiles. Attach the lanyard to the back of the tile. Secure it to the recommended magnet location on the panel. Begin installing tiles at the bottom left corner of the display. Install tiles from left to right, row by row, working upward. If a tile is uneven, remove the tile. Adjust the magnet depth using the magnetic adjustment tool. Reinstall the tile and check alignment. Repeat as needed. Fine-tuning may require several adjustments to achieve a flush surface. Section 5. Border installation. Flat borders complete the display and provide a finished appearance. Position the border so the flange faces the front of the display. Align the border with the corner block features. Secure the border using M5 T25 screws in all pre-punched locations.